This manufactured home is super accessible. What do I mean by that? Let's do a fast forward up the ramp so you can see. Woo! That was fun, wasn't it? It's also fun going down the ramp. But for now, let's pause to admire this big deck, which I will very carefully enunciate the word deck to not make it sound like the other way it could sound. The entry feels a little cramped, but I'll show you why. The sellers put this furniture that's serving as an entertainment center. It works as a nice divider to make this room feel cozier is what I think. The primary bedroom is huge, the closet isn't, but the bathroom is so big that you have even more room in there for storage. The yard is actually good size for one of these things, and it is fully fenced. It means you can have dogs or kids, I guess cats too. This place has 1,800 square feet. You could have kids, dogs, and cats. How about that? So like I said, the master bathroom is huge, and for some reason it has a lot of counter space. Which, who hates a lot of counter space? I know I don't. Most of the flooring in this house is a nice engineered wood. But let me show you this cute thing they did. Look! It's a mouse peeking out. How cute is that? Disclaimer, I've been assured that there are no real mice in this house. The kitchen is big and it has a pantry. Always have a pantry in your home, even a small one. But yeah, plenty of counter space here for cooking and food prep, or whatever else one does in a kitchen. This is what I'm calling the family room, and it's just a massive space. And this right here is called a pony wall. The seller put it in himself and is very proud of it. As he should be. It felt to me like it came this way from the manufacturer. This is the other entrance into the house. The washer and dryer do come with the place if you want them. And now we're on to the other bedrooms. First is the princess room. And then let's go look at the guest bathroom, which was remodeled last year. You should see the original photo, it was really bad. I do like the tile job they did on this. If you want to see this place in person, send me a message and let's go. As always, good luck on your property search.